Hi and welcome to a short screencast in which I will show you how to create mind maps and concept maps directly in your browser. The software I will be using is called TiddlyWiki, and TiddlyWiki is a personal note-taking software that runs in every modern browser, and I will install a mind map plugin for TiddlyWiki which is called TiddlyMap. And all the maps you are going to create will be stored together with the wiki content you produce in HTML format and in a single file, so you can always open everything in your favorite browser later on. So let's get started. First we need to go to TiddlyWiki.com, and once the page has loaded we can scroll down until we see a green download button, and let's press this one and confirm the download dialog, and let's go to the place where the file has been saved to. And you see a file called empty HTML, so this is your empty wiki, and let's give it a name, for example my Personal-Wiki. Okay, let's correct this here to an underscore, and we can open the file in our browser. And typically the first thing you would do is give your wiki a title, say my notes, and also a suitable subtitle. Okay, and also we remove any default content that is displayed at startup. So now we can save everything to the file, and if you have the TiddlyFox plugin installed for Firefox, it will automatically save the changes to your wiki file without displaying any further saving dialog. So let's hit save. And the next thing we want to do is to actually install the mind map plugin. So let's open a window and go to TiddlyMap.org. Okay, next we go to installation instructions, and let's also close the map for now, and we put the window to the right side and our own wiki to the left side. And what we are doing now is we drag and drop the plugins that are related to TiddlyMap to our own wiki, and this is the actual installation process. So once we are done, we can hit import, and as you can see the wiki saved, and we can refresh the wiki. Okay, so let's maximize the window, and we can already see a map button in the sidebar tabs, and when we click the button it will show this disclaimer. Let's confirm it. And before we actually use the map plugin, we want to do some tiny configurations to make TiddlyMap perfectly integrate with TiddlyWiki. So let's go to the control panel and to appearance and set the story view to top. Also let's go to settings and make the map sidebar tab default and change the opening behavior. And all these configurations are necessary if you want to use the live view, which is a TiddlyMap feature that allows you to show relationships of the current tiddler you are looking at. Okay, so let's open the map tab. And what we need to do is create an empty view and just hit OK, and it will assign the name my view. And let's create a new node, and we will call it central topic. Hit OK. So here you have your first node. Let's create another one, another topic. And what we can do now is we can connect these two topics and define a new relationship type. Hit OK. And if you click on the nodes, they open up in the story river. And we can also open the nodes and type some text. And we can also assign a color, which is then assigned to the node in the graph. If you need some help on how to use TiddlyMap, you can always visit the docs section of tiddlymap.org. Here. And this will open the whole documentation. You can have a look at the individual topics. And because TiddlyMap offers quite a lot of features, it's always good to have a glimpse at the docs to know what is possible when using TiddlyMap. So let's go back to our wiki. And one final thing to highlight is that every content you create with TiddlyWiki will be stored in a single file. So all the content we just produced, and also this new topic we just created, will be saved in a single file, which is the one we also downloaded. So when we close our window and if we reopen the file where our wiki is contained in, you will see that everything still exists and looks exactly the way we left it. And since everything is stored in a single HTML file, you can always take this file with you on journeys using a USB stick, and you can open it everywhere with any browser. And you can also upload the file on a web server and it will act as a full-blown website. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have fun with the plugin. Goodbye.